So the tax base on December 31, 2020 is 45 million. The computer software cost 4 million and adding building 47,500,000 minus 45 million is 2,500,000. So the total taxable temporary differences is 6,500,000. Deferred tax liability December 31, 2020, 30% times 6,500,000 is 1,960,000. Journal entry. If the carrying amount of an asset is higher than the tax base, the difference is a future taxable temporary differences and therefore there is a deferred tax liability. The income tax rate is 30%. So the income tax expense is debit worth 1,950,000 while that credit is deferred tax liability worth 1,900,000 computation to the taxable income. If the pre-tax accounting income for 2020 is 10 million pesos, the taxable income is computed as. So the pre-tax accounting income is 10 million pesos less than aning computer software cost entirely expense in 2020 na 5 million less 1 million is 4 million and the excess tax depreciation 5 million less 2,500,000 is 2,500,000. So the taxable income is 3,500,000. And so current tax expense 30% times 3,500,000 is equals to 1,050,000. So the journal entry to record the current tax expense for 2020 is the debit income tax expense 1,050,000 and the credit income tax payable is 1,050,000. Income statement presentation for 2020. Income before tax 10 million pesos. Income tax expense, the current tax expense 1,050,000 while the deferred tax expense 1,950,000 and credit 3 million. So the net income is 7 million. As a proof, since there are no permanent differences, the total income tax expense is equal to the accounting income of 10 million pesos multiplied by 30% or 3 million pesos. Continuing the illustration on December 31, 2021, the statement of financial position accounts have the same basis for accounting and tax purposes, except the following. Computer software cost carrying amount 3 million pesos, tax base 0. So the difference is 3 million pesos. The building carrying amount 45 million less the tax base 40 million, so the difference is 5 million. The accrued liability of healthcare, the carrying amount is 2 million pesos less tax base 0, so the difference is still 2 million. 21. Easy Company entered into an agreement with the employee to provide healthcare benefits. The cost of such plan for 2021 is 2 million pesos. This amount was accrued as expense in 2021 for accounting purposes. However, healthcare benefits are deductible for tax purposes only when actually paid. Computer software cost 3 million pesos. The building is 5 million pesos. So the total taxable temporary differences is 8 million pesos. Deferred tax liability on December 31, 2021, the 30% times 8 million is 2,400,000 and the deferred tax liability on December 31, 2020 is 1,950,000. Increase in deferred tax liability is for 450,000. Accrued liability healthcare is 2 million pesos. Deferred tax asset on December 31, 2020, the 30% times 2 million is 600,000. If the tax-based liability is lower than the carrying amount, the difference is a future deductible amount and therefore there is a deferred tax asset. Journal entries in 2021 to record the increase in deferred tax liability: debit tax expense 450,000, credit deferred tax liability 450,000. To record the deferred tax asset: debit deferred tax asset 600,000, while the credit income tax benefit 600,000 pesos. Journal entries in 2020 to record the revaluation: debit equipment 750,000, the credit is accumulated depreciation 250,000, and revaluation surplus is 500,000. To recognize the deferred tax liability and the revaluation surplus: debit revaluation surplus 150,000 and credit deferred tax liability is 150,000. Note that the deferred tax liability is charged to equity, meaning revaluation surplus. 3. To record the annual depreciation subsequent to revaluation, remaining life of equipment is 10 years. The debit depreciation 4,500,000 over 10 is 450,000. The credit accumulated depreciation is 450,000 also. The depreciation is based on the sound value or depreciated replacement cost for accounting purposes. To record the annual realization of the revaluation surplus: debit revaluation surplus 35% and the credit retained earnings 35,000. Revaluation surplus is for 500,000 less deferred tax liability 150,000. So the net revaluation surplus is 350,000 and the annual realization 350,000 over 10 is 35,000. The revaluation surplus is a component of other comprehensive income and subsequently classified through equity or retained earnings. Computation of taxable income: if the income before depreciation and before tax is 3 million pesos, the taxable income is computed as the income before depreciation and tax 3 million, tax depreciation based on cost 4 million over 10 is less 400,000